Hello, we are going to be looking at how to approach a response to this topic. First, you will need to go to Zillow.com. Next, you will need to look up different cities in your state until you have found 10 cities with at least 4 houses for rent. You will need to write down that information. So we're going to follow our link. I'm at Zillow.com. I need to make sure that I am on the location for rent. At the top, you will enter your cities. For example, I can enter Cedar Rapids, Iowa. You'll see many dots on the map indicating houses that are for rent. As you hover over one, you will see the rent price. And for example, here it's $1,195 per month. To expedite this, I have already looked up 10 cities with at least 4 houses for rent and recorded that information. I recorded that information on the quality control workbook found in LiveBinder. The tab that I used was XBAR and RChart raw data input. I need to make sure that the sample size is set to 4, as each city had 4 examples in it that I used for my sample. I need to scroll over to the right to see the compiled information after I've inputted my data. First, I will see the range for each sample. I will see the average for each sample. There is a table with all the range information, including the upper limit for the range, the center line, and the lower limit. Farther to the right, I will have the upper limit for the average of the averages for that center line, and the lower limit. Notice that there are pound signs indicating there's a number, but it's too large to show. So I can left click and hold with the double arrow and make that larger, and do that again between the Z and the double A so I can see my information. Next, what I would like to do is to create my charts, my R chart and my XBAR chart. To do so, I need to select which type of chart I'm going to make. First, it's going to be the R chart, the range chart. So I'm selecting the information for the range from each of the samples. Then I'm going to select the information underneath in the range column. I hold the control key down while I'm selecting that. I go to Insert, I go to Charts, More Scatter Charts, click on the line chart, and that first chart that I find is my information I need. Next, I can do the same thing for my XBAR chart, which is the average column. And then I select the information from the XBAR area. I can go to Insert, go down to More Scatter Charts, select the line chart, click OK, and I have created my XBAR chart. If you have questions, please contact your instructor.